guys, what's up with you? Welcome back to my channel, and today I will be sharing with you guys my shopping spree from Sephora and NYX. Well, I recently went to Toronto and went a little overboard with my shopping. So these are the bags that I bought. I got some shopping from Sephora and from NYX, and I can't wait to share with you guys. So stay tuned if you guys want to know my shopping haul. So in no particular order, the first thing that I got was this porefessional benefit primer. Okay, so this is how the tube looks like. I almost got a sample pack, and this one is for 16 Canadian dollars. It is a little expensive considering the size of this tube, so I'm assuming it's going to last for hardly 8 days even if I use it every day. But I've heard such good things about this primer. It helps in minimizing your pores, it gives a very seamless finish, and it helps in keeping your foundation last all day long. So yeah, this was one of the influential purchases because I've seen so many YouTubers raving about this product. So next thing that I bought is again from Benefits. It's the Huda bronzer, and this is also the mini version. In Toronto Sephora, you have a section where you will get the miniatures of all the high-end brands, which I feel is better to purchase just in case you want to try out first and then you want to go further and be a loyal customer to a particular brand. So this is how it looks like. It's super cute. The packaging is so pretty, guys, and this is how it looks from inside. So it's got this cute little brush. This is how it looks, and then the bronzer obviously inside. This one is for 20 Canadian dollars. You can either use this to sweep it all over your face, probably to get a nice bronzy look, or probably you can create a nice soft contour. So the next thing that I got is this lipstick from Nars. I hope this is focusing. Yes, and I got two shades in it, which is a Damn and a walkyrie. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So let me just swatch the lipsticks for you guys. These are the two mini lip pencils. If you want to buy the single jumbo pencil, it is going to be for 32 Canadian dollars. However, because I went with the mini versions, they both costed me 27 Canadian dollars, and you get 1.8 grams of product for each. So the first shade that I will be swatching will be a walkyrie, and it's a beautiful warm orange color. It's like going to suit a lot of skin types, and yeah, I love such mature colors. It gives a very nice classic retro vibe. And the other one is Damn. This one is again a gorgeous plum berry sort of a color, if you can see. Both are incredibly highly pigmented, and I love both the colors. I actually went in using a Damn for my sister, and I think it looked pretty nice, though it's a little patchy, but yes, it looks very rich, it looks very classic, and I love such shades. So the next thing that I got was this Farsali rose gold elixir. This one is for 25 Canadian dollars, and I get 10 ml of this product. If you want to buy the bigger bottle in this one, it's going to be for 54 Canadian dollars, and you will be getting almost 30 ml of the product. So I've heard so many good things about this product. This is again a very influential purchase because I have seen so many beauty gurus using this, putting this oil on their face before putting their foundation. Yeah, you can use this to hydrate your face. You can mix it with your favorite foundation. You can use this to hydrate your lips, and you can also use this to revive your dried creams. You can just add 1 or 3 drops of this oil, and yes, you can bring them back to life. So I went in purchasing Smashbox lipsticks, and these are the 3 lipsticks that I get. I get these 3 beautiful shades. One is called Famous, and then the other one is called Fig. Third one is Primrose, and I'm just going to swatch all the colors for you guys. This is the first shade that I have, which is Famous. This is how it looks. It's a very beautiful nude color, and I can see from the swatch that this is going to be a very creamy, glossy sort of a formula. And then the next shade is Primrose. It's again a very nice nude pink color. And then I have Fig, and this is how it looks. I haven't swatched it nicely, guys, but these are the 3 shades, and I love the trio. It has got a great intense shine to it, but definitely not something that is going to last for a very long time on your lips. But it's like a good alternative for someone who likes to have glossy, shiny lips. This one is something that I'm looking forward to trying. The next thing that I have in my bag is this Huda beauty palette. I absolutely love this one. This was one of my favorite purchases. Let me just open and show you the kit. I absolutely adore the eyeshadows that this palette has, and this one is for 35 Canadian dollars. Just see the colors, guys. I mean, they are such beautiful warm tone colors, and I love the packaging. I mean, it's got this beautiful magnetic closure, it's got this cute little mirror inside, and I can see myself making some great looks out of this one. The swatches are to die for. I swatched the eyeshadows over there and I was completely shocked by the pigment. It's like one of the best pigments that you can see. And also considering the fact that Huda Beauty bigger palettes are so damn expensive, this one being just for 35 Canadian dollars is a great deal altogether. Moving on, I got this Urban Decay palette. It's a very heavy palette in collaboration with Gwen Stefani. This is how it looks like. It's got this beautiful packaging done, and it's also engraved with Urban Decay and Gwen Stefani over here. This is how it looks from inside. So I love the combination that this palette has. It's got some shimmers, some lights, some darks. It's a perfect palette for your makeup vanity, and it's got this huge massive mirror as well. This one is for 63 Canadian dollars, by the way. It also comes along with this beautiful samples of lip shades. So these are the 4 lip shades that I get. It's in the tablet form. So I'm definitely going to try these lip shades and probably see if I want to buy it next time from Sephora. By the way, I forgot to tell you guys that there is an amazing Sephora sale going on. I bought these products way before that, so I missed the chance. But if you guys want to go and buy right now, this is the time. Probably you might get some really fancy deals for yourself. So then I also bought Urban Decay single eyeshadow. This one is called a gunmetal, and I've also heard a very good review about this particular eyeshadow, and this one is for 27 Canadian dollars. Then I bought 2 glosses from Urban Decay again, and one is called Obsession and the other one is called Snitch. Snitch is the one that I'm wearing on my lips, and yeah, I absolutely love this lip gloss. It's super intense. One thing that I really like about this particular lip gloss is that they are not sticky at all. I can definitely vouch for that. Just swipe in one go, and yeah, they leave a very good stain in one go, which is what I really like. Snitch is what I'm wearing right now. Let me swatch Obsession for you guys. This is how it looks like. It's this bubblegum pink sort of a color. And yeah, this is how it looks on the back of my hand. So yeah, it's a nice baby pink, bubblegum pink color, and these lip shades are for 27 Canadian dollars each. The thing that I got is this Urban Decay vitamin infused complexion prep spray, and this is how the bottle looks like. It's basically a face mist, and how much I adore having a face mist. Anything that meshes up with skincare and makeup is always my favorite, and it always catches my eye. This one is for 20 Canadian dollars. Moving on, I got this palette from Too Faced. It's called Sweet Peach. Let me just open and show you. This is how the box looks like, and from inside this is how it is. Again, such beautiful colors. It's a very summery palette, and it does smell like peach. I almost feel like eating this right now. And these are the shades it has. It's got this corals, this pink, some purple tones. Absolutely amazing palette to try out this summer, and I can't wait to make a makeup video using this palette. It also comes along with this pamphlet over here. They have these eye looks over here, and the instructions are right here how to create these looks, and I'm definitely intrigued by this particular one. I'm definitely going to try this one. So let me know in the comment section below if you want me to create any of the looks using this palette. And this palette is for 59 Canadian dollars. So the next thing that I got is a mascara which is called a Better Than Sex. This one is from Too Faced again, and I'll just open the bottle and show to you guys. This is how it looks. This looks super beautiful. The packaging is super cute. This is how the wand looks. This was actually recommended by one of my friends, and she said such good things about this mascara that I just couldn't stop myself from buying this one. And then I went on trying this. It definitely is one of the best mascaras, to be very honest. It doesn't clump. It gives a very nice length and volume. So anybody who wants to have a nice high-end mascara, this one is to go for. So I also got a gift from Sephora, which is this beautiful 2 lip shades from Bite. So it is a Sephora exclusive brand, and I get these two beautiful lipsticks, which is completely free, and free things are always welcome. So this one is called Chai, and this is how it looks. Let me just swatch it for you guys. This beautiful brown color. It's very flattering. I can see almost all skin tones are pulling this off. Then I get this mauve color as well, and this is how it looks like. So yeah, these are beautiful lip shades, and I think they give this gift when it's your birthday month. So if you ever go to Sephora, go on your birthday month so that you can get a nice goodie. So I got one more free gift, which is this beautiful transparent pouch from Sephora. Moving on to my next shopping, which is a mini shopping. Let me just quickly show you guys what all things that I bought. First thing that I have in my hand is this NYX powder puff lippie. If you guys know that they just launched it last year, I believe. I'm not too sure when exactly, but these are very famous these days. Color is called Moody. It's a beautiful mauve purple color. This is how the applicator looks. It's got this sponge. It's a matte finish color, and yeah, what can I say about NYX? I think they come out with really nice colors. Then I also bought NYX lip creme lipsticks, and how much I'm obsessed with these ones. I absolutely adore. They have this super rich formula. It doesn't create those patchy lines on your lips, which is why I love NYX lip shades. The color that I bought is Stockholm, which I already have, but I thought of restocking it once again because I'm completely finished with my previous one. And the other one is called London. I already had a lip pencil in this particular shade, and then I wanted to have a lip creme. So yeah, I went in buying these two beautiful nude shades, and I love nudes. So that is one of the reasons that I bought these two lip shades. I also got this brush kit from NYX. I am so happy to get this one. The one reason that I bought this was because I was looking for a pencil brush for a very long time. This was one of the brushes because of which I got the entire kit, and I definitely don't regret buying this one. This is for 45 Canadian dollars. Anybody who wants to buy brushes, wants to invest on brushes, I definitely recommend this one because they have all the variety that you require to create an eye look. Their bristles are nice. The purposes of each and every brush, they have displayed over here how to go about it. I also use this brush to create an eye look for my sister. I might show you a picture right here. They deposited the product so beautifully. They blended beautifully. In 45 Canadian dollars, I'm getting 5 brushes. From that perspective, I feel that this is a smart purchase. I also got a concealer, which is not my shade. This is something that I went in buying because I do makeup on my clients. So yeah, this was another concealer which is completely packed, and I don't feel like opening it right now. So guys, I hope you did enjoy this shopping haul, and if you did, then please share your support by liking this video, subscribing to my channel for more such videos, and commenting down below what were your thoughts about it. Until then, I will take your leave, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.